how's it going? So, it's night before opening day of rifle season for deer hunters, and I'm gonna film tomorrow, and we've been preparing today. This evening we went up on the bluffs and we were glassing, and on the way we poured out some corn, and hoping tomorrow's gonna be good. It's gonna be cold in the morning, so I've got all my overalls and all that prepared for the morning, and hopefully we see a big deer. Also, we went out again tonight and we poured out some corn in our corn hole and down our pasture. So I'll be videoing tomorrow. I'll post it out, you'll see it, and hopefully I have a picture of a big buck. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Gotta get some sleep, and thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. See y'all later.